Hello everyone, I'm here with Ace Jonker, who's the winner, congratulations, of the 18 meter and open combined class at the SA Gliding Nationals. Ace, well done, that's a fantastic performance.
Thanks, Bronwyn.
Very big question in everyone's mind, why did you choose to fly Nimbus 4D?
Ooh, I love the glider. This is an amazing glider. It's 30 years old, but the ability of this glider to feel the thermals, and you can just immediately put it into the core, gives you quite an advantage. And on the second hand, did not have my JS3s. They're on the way from Germany, but this is a lovely glider to fly.
Okay, and how does it compare with the JS3s?
Luckily, there's a handicap system, so I have a 3-point handicap on the JS3s, which helps a little bit. In the weak conditions, obviously, the Nimbus 4 is a fantastic machine. But with the fast classes, I am limited with my speed. I could only cruise at, I limit myself to 180 kilometers an hour and sometimes a little bit faster. But man, when we were climbing, I was king. This glider is just superb in the climb, so I couldn't wait until we climb. On the cruise, I really had to pray that the next climb is coming up. But just combining by just really focusing hard in climbing as fast as possible and scoring the thermals as quick as possible, it was possible for me to really perform high-speed flights.
That sounds quite incredible. So do you think that's the secret to winning in this class, or is there something else you're not telling us?
I think I was also lucky, so I got the climbs when I needed it. But it is a glider which I'm comfortable in. So I flew it quite many years with my boys. And it is amazing to fly in a two-seater also with the social effect of it. So I actually enjoy flying with other people and we're discussing and talking, and it's half the fun is the communication in the cockpit.
Far less lonely.
Yeah, it's just fantastic. It's really fantastic.
Oh, that's great. Well, being wing to wingtip with you at one point during the comp and hearing you also won last year in the Nimbus 4D, are you going to make it a hat trick next year and we see you up in there?
Yeah, this Nimbus is nice. It's close to my heart, but I would see if I have my JS3s, it would be a difficult decision. Okay. Flying with somebody, which you can transfer your knowledge to, is sometimes for me nicer than flying alone and do it alone. So maybe next year I'll fly the Nimbus again.
Nice. A little bit less trouble on the radio. No, well, congratulations, Ace. I think you've done a fantastic job and certainly a good teamwork going on.
No, fantastic. And I think if we can reverse the roles, it was your first competition flying a JS glide. And how did you experience that?
Oh, it was absolutely amazing. There's nothing quite like the glide. You just seem to go forever.
You did fantastic flying your first competition in a glider. So congratulations to you also. So it's fantastic. Yeah. And to everybody that participated in this event and all the organization and the people helping us. There's so many people allowing us to do this on the ground and helping with all activities. We'd just like to transfer our thanks to them as well, because it's just phenomenal that we have people volunteering to help us with this. So thanks to those people as well.
You certainly can't fly without getting pulled up into the air, that's for sure.
Not at all. So thanks, guys. Next year we have our nationals here again. We have hangars full of gliders, and we would like to invite our international participants to come and enjoy this amazing event. Hope to see you.